Y'all give it up for Monique. You did that, sister. You did that.
Hey guys, it's Monique and I'm back with another video. In today's video, first of all, I've been waiting to record this video for a week now because that's when I ordered my new laptop. I say new because I already have one and it started to go bad on me. I have had it for 5 years now, but you know, I thought it was time for an upgrade, so I treated myself and I got a new one. So here's me unboxing my new MacBook Pro. Okay. I'm so excited. Christmas. She's so heavy. And before I go ahead and open it completely, my MacBook Air that I have now, like I said, I've had it for 5 years. It has lasted all throughout college, no problems at all, and I've just been really appreciative for the laptop that I do have now. But it was brought to my attention 5 years. That's a long time, but I know some people's laptops do last longer. Mine's, it literally just started to go, it literally just started not to work, if that makes sense. I can't get on the internet, although I have Wi-Fi and everything. The web pages will not load completely. So yeah, so what I'm doing is I will be sending it in for Apple Trade, and I will be getting a gift card. The value of my laptop, it varies, so I'm not sure exactly how much I'll be getting until they inspect it and everything like that. So once I program this and try to get some stuff transferred over, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the box for me to send it in, and then probably take it tomorrow because I don't feel like going to the post office today, although I do live fairly close to a post office. I just want to make sure everything from my old laptop to my new laptop is transferred over entirely. So let's just go ahead and get started. Get her. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Really aesthetically pleasing opening new Apple products. I never really thought myself to be a tech person, but I love phones, I love tablets, and my MacBook is my everything, but I thought I needed an upgrade. So here it goes. Oh my god, this is so heavy. It's a 13-inch, and I'm trying to compare it, but it's smaller than my MacBook Air 13-inch. That's why I knew it looked a little small, but I don't know. I like it though. I have no other choice but to like it. I spent a lot of money on it, so. I did get space gray only because the MacBook that I have now is silver. My iPhone is silver, and I was kind of tired of my iPhone is white, and I've been tired of the same color, so I decided to switch it up. And as some of you guys may know, the newer Apple products come with the USB-C, so this charger is completely different. The ports on it are completely different. Y'all can see that. Those are a lot different than my MacBook Air. So that, the little booklet it comes in. And this unboxing is probably like 5 times harder because I have nails on, but yeah. Is the block, the charging block, which feels extremely heavy. I haven't had one of these in a while. I honestly don't know what happened to my original one. I don't even know what happened to the extension cord it came with. That everything just disappeared. It up and left. So these won't, because I literally need this, and I literally need this one too. So these are going right there for right now. So now I'm gonna clean up, and I'm gonna turn the camera around and watch you guys, or you guys are gonna watch me pretty much set up my MacBook. I'm probably gonna speed through this clip because, you know, if you've gotten a new Apple product, you know, like the setup process. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my area right now, and then show you guys the speed of the process. Hey Siri. Girl, not you. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Alright guys, so as you've seen in the last clip, it was me setting up my laptop, and the lighting might change because it's like a little dark in here. I'm trying to work this ring light I have, but yeah, I was setting up my computer, and pretty much my camera died. So I just wanted to like show you guys like my laptop so far. And it's all set up, so I did put my screensaver in. I did use everything that I had on my last laptop, so like the background and screensaver, how everything was set up on my computer. I compared it, made sure like everything was straight. I love the Touch ID on this laptop. The keyboard is like, it has grooves on it, and it's like it's so close together, it's not too far apart. And like the laptop itself is a lot smaller compared to the MacBook Air. And yes, I do have like a case on it finally. My Amazon package finally came in, and I have another case for it. It's a black marble case. I bought a lot of accessories for it. Let me pull that out. So I have like this tech case that I bought, and it holds everything like my camera. I can just show you guys some of the stuff that I have. My Beats, an extra like, this is a computer light, and you can see like I have like some accessories for the USB to the USB-C. Let me get that out. These came in a pack of 2. from Amazon. Majority of the stuff that I'm showing you guys either came from Apple or Amazon. This came from Amazon. I'm sure you can see it, but yeah. These came from Amazon, and it pretty much all you have to do is connect these two together, and it'll go into the computer and it'll make it brighter, which I would do that now because it actually needs to be a little brighter in here. It's just for recording purposes. Boom, there you go. Now I feel like I'm competing with the TV right now, so let me go turn it down. So yeah. Yeah, so that, go ahead, it easily connects to the computer. I feel like it's a lot brighter than what it was on my old laptop, but it's okay. Like I did say previously in the last few clips that I did like the Apple trade-in program, so my old laptop is actually in a box. I will be taking it to a FedEx facility, or like where they do FedEx pickups, so I can get cash back for my old laptop since I'm not going to be using it anymore. And overall, like, I just really love this laptop. I wasn't able to watch YouTube videos. I wasn't able to really watch my own YouTube videos when on my old laptop, so it was hard to like edit a lot of things, not knowing what it's going to show on YouTube, like how it's going to show, and like if it's showing correctly on my side and if it's going to show correctly on you guys' side. So that was a big problem for me with editing, but I'm so happy everything came together. Some of the cases came with a screen protector for my laptop, and I definitely put that on. I also ordered like these. They're basically like camera covers, and I just put it on there because you like never know who can like hack into your laptop and like watch you.
Who's that creeping in my window?
I bought this from Apple, and it's for my USB. It's for me when I upload my videos and everything like that, which hopefully this would be uploaded and ready to watch soon. I do have another unboxing video coming next, hopefully this week or next week, so everything is coming in soon. So I hope this video has helped someone if you're looking to buy a new laptop or just switching laptops like I did. Personally, I would definitely go with the MacBook Pro. It is nice. I love the touch bar. It gives it a new feel. The screen is almost like how they revamped for the iPhones. They made it all glass, so it seemed like the screen is a lot bigger than what it normally is, and they cut down on, I guess, like material used for the actual laptop. So that's why, like, the comparison, I took a picture which I would show you guys right here, or right here, sorry, right here. And yeah, it's a lot different. Like, you can see the difference. It's a lot bigger, it's a lot wider. The MacBook Pro is actually smaller, which I actually like it because it doesn't take up too much space. It's nice. I like it. I really do like this laptop a lot. So yeah, I think I made a great investment on myself, and I hope you guys stay tuned for the next unboxing video because I ain't done yet. Okay, I'm not done. I had to treat myself this month, and I went all out, and I was like, why not? So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you aren't subscribed already. Be on the lookout for my next unboxing video, and until then, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.